How's it going, guys and girls? R1 Ace here. Wow, you won't have heard that intro since like 2017, 2016 even. 2016, yeah, that's the last time I vlogged. Well, if you didn't already know, those of you who follow me on Instagram, which these days the majority of you are probably from my Instagram, so you probably know what I'm doing, what I'm up to, where I am right now, and that is Florida. We're in the south side of Florida. I've been chilling in the Fort Lauderdale area quite a lot. Been down to South Beach, or Miami in general, North Miami, Mid Miami, South Beach. I've been to downtown Miami as well, but you might be asking, why? Why Florida? It's a vibe. I can't lie, for riding and general content, it's a bit bland. Well, I suppose that's if you don't know anybody, but for my mental health and for just general living, this place is amazing. Usually you catch nothing but blue skies and palm trees. That's the scenery around here. A lot of greenery, a lot of vegetation, a lot of wildlife, a lot of alligators, iguanas, lizards, snakes. But yeah, nah, it's amazing out here. I prefer it to California because the general vibe, just how people are, how they interact with you, the other riders, everybody down here seems to be down to earth. I mean, it's a bit ironic, I'm just out here on my own, but you know the vibes. It's funny because lane splitting or filtering is such a second nature thing back in the UK, but here, I mean, you can probably get away with doing it here and there. I wouldn't know because I don't break international laws, but it's quite frowned upon in all states bar California, which is tragic. I feel like it's the sort of rule that needs to be adopted by all states, but I guess this is how we're living out here. We're sitting in the sun, sitting under the sun, sitting in traffic, watching the world go by. If this was London, best believe I'd have found my way to the front, but it's all good. I'm down to melt. So the current agenda is heading to a spot by the beach before sundown. I've been here for a couple weeks already, and I struggled with getting any content while being sunset. So today is the day, the sun is nice and high, and I should be in a good position to get some nice content on my way to the beach. So in terms of motor vlogging, as I said, there's not a lot of entertainment to find around here. You get the odd encounter, and for that reason I upload primarily to Instagram these days, as it's easy just to upload like a little 15 to 1 minute clip, just share that and it's good to go. But for long form content like YouTube, it's a lot more difficult. So I feel like I'm gonna leave the vlogging until I get back to London, because at least then I can just upload general riding videos. I feel like the majority of my videos will be general riding, just listening to the sound of my R1, but I might upload the old vlog here and there. Vlogging isn't really my thing these days, but I really need to get back into it to get the long form content back up and going. One thing I have noticed, I mean, I know it's a massive state and a massive country in general. In LA, I saw loads of riders, loads of bikes. The two-wheel community out there was out all day, every day, everywhere. Here in Florida, yeah, cool. They've got, of course, with the Miami bike scene or the Miami bike life scene, they've got a massive two-wheels community. But when I'm out in general, I don't really see anyone. It's kind of crazy. An American roundabout, this would be perfect for learning to get knee down. If you're directionally challenged, if you prefer, like, let's say one tap corner, your right-handed corner is to your left, or vice versa. I love how you can just stick this bike in 5th gear at 30 miles an hour and it just does what you need. Like, you can still accelerate if you need to accelerate in a hurry. Like, it's got torque for days. 689cc, hey, parallel twin, crossbeam technology, this is where it's at. So I've actually got no internet right now. I've got my navigation running, I've got offline maps somewhat functioning, but as for updates and finding other routes, I need to hotspot places. So I'm just freestyling. I've never been down this way before. It looks beautiful, looks amazing, so I'm enjoying it, but you know, still got to be careful with the type of areas that you find yourself. This is America after all. Weapons, firearms are very prominent here. I believe this is a closed carry state, but you see the signs when people have guns, little stickers on their windows, things like that. It's kind of crazy. So many people have been asking me on Instagram, like, how I've been able to, I always check for police behind me, how I've been able to rent a bike. Luckily and fortunately, I've got a very good friend, Jess rides on all social media platforms, you may know her. She is kind enough to loan me this beautiful MT-07, FC-07 while I'm out here, so I don't have to worry about renting bikes. But when I was in LA on my last trip, I did check out the situation, and you can get bikes quite easily for around, you can get a 600cc Super Sport for about $40 to $70 a day, maybe on the $70 to $100 side for a modern 1000cc super bike. Yeah, so Twisted Roads and Ridershare are the two most popular motorcycle renting apps. Oh, typical. Wait, can I go that way? Time to find out. Yes, I can. Oh, it's probably not the best idea, but at least I can do a U-turn up here. So 12. So I gotta watch oncoming traffic and I gotta watch the guys next to me. Oh, I'm good. So this is where I'm supposed to turn. Is it? It can't be. I'm gonna go straight. Okay, I'm gonna turn. I wanna explore that little area. That looks strange. Damn, these guys are slammed. 2 Integras, that's crazy. So, it told me to go down here. Oh, I can go this way. Damn, some interesting areas here. This is a nice little community. I feel bad for wrecking it. Wow, look at that. Look at all of this. Wow. Imagine having a house and a boat. You walk outside, get on the boat. Hey, that's crazy. I love America. Everything's so different. It's crazy. This place is so patriotic. Everybody's got an American flag. another viewpoint. Hey, I'm just glad that I'm beating the sun. Sun is still high in the sky, so I'm all good. But she does set very quickly here, so do not be deceived. Do not be deceived. Give it an hour, yeah, she'll be setting. I always check my back when I'm at traffic lights. One for police and two for crazy people. Being in another country and being in America, where you know that things get a bit wild, gotta be on your P's and Q's. These little communities are so nice. I can't get over it and I can't stop repeating it. And another thing I noticed, not this area, but another area I was in the other day, the houses are so luxurious. Like, I'm talking mansions. They just look insane. So many of those around here. I love this bike. Couple girls in bikinis and jet skis, more boats, palm trees. View isn't too bad. Yes sir, yes indeed, this place, man. Right, what do we have? Hazy blue skies, bit cloudy, but like I said, just look at this. Got the beach on the other side of these palm trees and that white wall. There we go, there's the ocean. It is just vibes on vibes. That's what I'm trying to say. Something's telling me I slightly came at the wrong time. Midday, sun would have been higher. Wouldn't have been a sunset video. Things would have been brighter. But at the same time, it's like, I would have been dying. I would have been melting. The sun here is no joke. And he's behind me. Oh, just a regular car. So it's like, do I sacrifice my health and well-being? AKA, do I pass away with heat stroke? Or do I come out when it's cooler, quieter? You know. So mistakes have been made. Sun setting over there. I'm over here. Oh yeah, nobody indicates here. People just turn. But you get used to it. You don't get complacent, but you get used to it. Okay, so this is the spot I normally stop at. But there's tents everywhere. I normally stop here, and of course you can see the beach. I probably could still stop, but what? Damn. Well, at least you can see the beach. And I guess on that note, I'll end it here. So, thanks guys for tuning in to Ace in America. And my next vlog will probably be back in London, if I get back into the swing of things. We'll see. Oh look, here's Fort Lauderdale PD. Damn. Is he gonna bang a U-turn? That's crazy.